Putin is set to arrive in New Delhi tomorrow for a high-stakes visit. The trip comes at a time when India-Russia ties are strengthening rapidly, particularly in the areas of energy, trade and strategic cooperation. Now let's take a quick look at how the bilateral trade has evolved in the recent years. So India-Russia trade has surged dramatically from $9.5 billion in 2014 to now $70 billion in 2023 and 2024, driven largely by the discounted Russian crude. Also, the Indian exports, if you see, so Indians have exported $4.88 billion worth of goods in FY25, led by pharmaceuticals, engineering and manufacturing goods, agricultural goods and also ceramics. Despite the growth, exports remain far below the value of imports, contributing to a widening trade deficit. Now, if you have a look about the imports, so imports stand at $63.84 billion, predominantly dominated by crude oil and petroleum, coal, industrial raw materials and also the agricultural items. Now the energy continues to be the driver of the partnership, with Russia emerging as one of the India's top oil suppliers. Now sources also tell us that India is actively exploring its way out to boost its export to Russia to correct the trade imbalance. And here the key focus areas are going to include marine products, pomegranates and potatoes, whose exports has already begun last month, and pharmaceuticals, textiles, engineering goods and other value-added categories. Now the aim is to diversify Indian exports while maintaining strong energy ties. Also noteworthy is, speaking ahead of the visit, Kremlin spokesperson Dmitry Peskov said Moscow is exploring possible imports from India and also is doing its best to continue expanding the bilateral trade. So now all eyes will now be on the tomorrow's meeting between Prime Minister Modi and President Putin, where trade, energy cooperation and geopolitical coordination are expected to dominate the visit.